Hey folks, it's WeFire88 here, back with another fan video, and what we're looking at here today is this 48-inch wing TAT industrial. I believe that's the proper name for this. Or a lot of other collectors like to refer to this fan as the UFO TAT, and it's very clear as day as to why we call it the UFO TAT, because the motor is shaped just like a flying saucer. The rest of the fan is like a yellow color except for the motor, which I think is interesting. This fan I got a while ago from TAT 16. He got this, I think, somewhere up in northern New Hampshire, or up north where he lives. But you know, it came out of a machine shop, so that kind of explains why it's so grimy looking, I guess. Yeah, there's the tag on the lower canopy. That tag, if that means anything to anybody. Of course, you can barely see that tag. No. That is like near impossible to see. There, hopefully you guys can maybe read that. I assume this is out of the early 80s, if I were to guess. I used to have a 36-inch one, but I actually traded the 36-inch one I used to have for this one. But yeah, anyway, let's see what this thing will do. I'm pretty sure he has a video of this exact fan on his channel, but now I will. Pretty cool. For testing purposes, I have on the Fastgo 4-speed control, just like always, non-capacitor based. Anyway, here's low speed. Really impressed at how smooth the bearings are. This thing was maintained pretty well. Or it got its fair use, that's for sure. But the bearings are dead silent in it. Oh yeah, that's better. A little bit. That's a nice low speed on the control. Not a super fast low speed. That's honestly a nice usable low speed right there. And honestly, I'm getting a little bit of air from it. Just the slightest amount. Alright, let's take this up to medium low now. Yeah, this thing runs perfect. And on the top of the tag, I do remember seeing it saying wing TAT on the top, so that's what I think this is the proper name for it. If not, somebody can absolutely correct me. So, you can already tell that this thing has a nice like selection or range of speeds on this control. Already getting a good amount of air from it. Say that's definitely like a fast low, obviously a medium low. That's like a good medium low, I feel like, you know? It's not like super quick. And yet it's not super slow. All right, medium high. Yeah, this is a great fan. Really not a bad air mover at all. Yeah, these 48-inch TATs are pretty rare from my understanding. You really do not see these at all. Let alone, you don't really see the 56-inch ones either. Or the 36, let alone, you don't see any of these really at all. They pop up once in a blue moon, honestly. And I guess these are like super popular like down in Florida. I guess Florida has a ton of them down there because I always see a bunch of Florida collectors having a ton of these. Alright, let's take this up to high now. Whoa. So if I were to put this up somewhere, I would definitely use this same exact control for this fan because it's got, again, gives it a good range of speeds. That's a nice high speed. Moving a fair amount of air. It's not bad at all. Back here. Yeah, that's really not that bad. Also, I can't tell you how, like, balanced this thing is. Like, holy cow. That is, like, crazy good. This thing runs really well. It's very quiet, too. Like, the air movement noise isn't, like, loud, you know what I mean? It's very, like, quiet. I just think that's so interesting how the motor is, like, white and the rest of the fan is, like, a yellow color, or a cream color. Alrighty, let's do spin down now. Yeah, this thing's nice on high speed. This is a really nice fan. I definitely understand the hype for these things. Yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. Alrighty, spin down in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, the bearings in this thing are dead silent. It's very impressive for how old it is and the amount of use it's seen, obviously. Like, once it's done spinning down, I'll show you on top of the blades, like, what I mean by it's seen a fair amount of use. There's, like, literal, like, stains in the blade from the dust. And this thing still runs really well after all these years. Like, I'm very impressed. I'd love to find a 56-inch one of these. I'd keep this one, but I'd want to have a 56-inch, but Finding one of those is going to be near impossible. Yeah, this has got a good long spin down. Nice spin down. Yeah, this thing's got really nice bearings. Yeah, this is what you can kind of see it well on this one. Actually, this one's the good example right here. See what I mean? It's all dark, right there. And that's from all the dust building up on it. From where it used to be, and from what he told me, it came out of a machine shop a while ago, and he found it on Marketplace. But yeah, so as you guys can see, the fan has clearly stopped, and I will end the video here, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.